Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neat Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 20 questions on chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. See friends, one tip for you. Since biology subject need practice of question daily, on a daily basis you have to practice question, then only you can crack the NEET exam. So please go through the questions regularly and solve as many as possible questions you can. So here we start a video on chapter Microbes in Human Welfare with the first question. Question 1. Microorganisms or microbes are found in A. Soil, air, water and inside the bodies of living organisms. B. Thermal vents deep in soil. C. Under snow as well as acidic environment. D. All of the above. I repeat the question. Microorganisms or microbes are found in, and the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Question second. The nutritive medium for growing bacteria and many fungi in the laboratory is called A. Culture media, B. Fermentation media, C. Baking media, D. None of the above. The nutritive medium for growing bacteria and many fungi in the laboratory is called, and the correct answer for the second question is A, that is culture media. Question third. Which of the following bacteria converts milk into curd? A. Propionibacterium shermani, B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. Lactobacillus, D. Thermophilic bacteria. Question third. Which of the following bacteria convert milk into curd? And the correct answer is C, that is Lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Question 4. Toddy, a traditional drink of South India, is made by dash of sap from palm tree by B dash. Here A and B refers to A. Fermentation, B yeast, B A fermentation, B bacterial industrial, C distillation, B yeast, D option, A distillation, B bacteria. I repeat the question. Toddy, a traditional drink of South India, is made by dash of sap from palm tree by dash. Here A and B refers to. And the correct answer for the fourth question is A, that is fermentation of sap and palm tea by yeast is the correct answer. Question 5th. Roquefort cheese is formed by wrapping of dash for a particular flavor. Here E refers to A yeast, B fungi, C bacteria, D none of the above. Roquefort cheese is formed by wrapping of dash, and the correct answer for the fifth question is B, that is fungi. Question 6th. Which of the following organism is used in the production of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, and rum? E. Clostridium botulinum, B. Aspergillus niger, C. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, D. Penicillium notatum. I repeat the question. Which of the following organism is used in the production of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, and rum? And the correct answer for the sixth question is C, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Question 7. Who got Nobel Prize in 1945 for the discovery of penicillin as an antibiotic? A. Alexander Fleming, B. Ernest Cain, C. Howard Florey, D. All of these. I repeat the question. Who got Nobel Prize in 1945 for the discovery of penicillin as an antibiotic? And the correct answer for the seventh question is D, that is all of these is the correct answer. Question 8. Choose the incorrect pair. A. Lipase used in detergents for removing oil stains. B. Pectinase used in clarifying bottle juices. C. Monoscus purpurus competitively inhibit the enzyme responsible for cholesterol synthesis. D. None of the above. Choose the incorrect pair, and the incorrect pair is D, that is none of the above is incorrect. All are correct here. Question 9. Which of the following is wrongly matched in the given table? Microbe, product and application. You have to identify the wrong matched pair. ठीक है. A. Monoscus purpuris statins, application is lowering of blood cholesterol. B. Streptococcus, product streptokinase, removal of clot from blood vessel. C. Clostridium, product is lipase, application removal of oil stains. D. Trichodon polysporum, cyclosporin A, immunosuppressive drug. I repeat the question. Which of the following is wrongly matched in the given table? And the correct answer for the ninth question is C, that is Clostridium botulinum lipase. Application is the wrongly matched pair, and all A, B, and D are correct here. Question 10. Primary treatment is the A. Physical removal of large and small particles from sewage. B. Biological removal of large and small particles from sewage. C. Both A and B. D. Chemical removal of large and small particles from sewage. Question 10. I repeat the question. Primary treatment is the, and the correct answer for the 10th question is A, that is physical removal of large and small particles from sewage. Question 11 in your screen. In the sewage treatment, bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment in a settling tank. The sediment is called as A. Activated sludge, B. Primary sludge, C. Anaerobic sludge, D. Secondary sludge. I repeat the question. In the sewage treatment, bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment in a settling tank. This sedimentation is called, and the correct answer for the 11th question is A, that is activated sludge. Question 12. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animal includes the A. Thermoacidophiles, B. Methanogens, C. Eubacteria, D. Halophiles. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals includes the, and the correct answer for the question 12 is B, that is methanogens is the correct answer. Question 13. Baculovirus, that is nuclear polyhedrovirus, do not show A. Host specificity, B. Narrow spectrum application, C. Effect on non-target pathogens, D. Utility in IPM program. I repeat the question. Baculovirus, that is polyhedrovirus, do not show, and the correct answer for the 13th question is C, that is effect on non-target pathogens. Question 14. The microorganism go on molasses and sold as food flavoring substance is A. Saccharomyces, second Rhizopus, third Azotobacter, fourth Lactobacillus. The microorganism going on molasses and sold as a food flavoring substance is, and the correct answer for the 14th question is first one, that is Saccharomyces. Question 15. The pioneer country in the production of fuel alcohol is first one Japan, second Brazil, third Saudi Arabia, fourth India. The pioneer country in the production of fuel alcohol is, and the correct answer for the 15th question is second one, that is Brazil is the pioneer country for the production of alcohol. Question 16. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the effect of first IARI, second KVIC, third both first and second, fourth WHO. I repeat the question. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the efforts of, and the correct answer for the 16th question is third one, that is both first and second, that is IARI and KVIC. Question 17. Select the correct match. First, aspergillus acetic acid. Second, streptokinase immunosuppressive. Third, cyclosporine, a clot buster. Fourth, statin, cholesterol lowering agent. Select the correct match. Correct match. Here the correct match for the 17th question is fourth one, that is statin is cholesterol lowering agent. Question 18. All of the following is a part of IPM, that is integrated pest management, except first, use of resistant varieties, second, use of crop rotation, third, biological and mechanical control of pest, fourth, regular use of high doses of pesticide from beginning to end of the crop. I repeat the question. All of the following is a part of IPM, integrated pest management, except. Here answer for the 18th question is fourth one, that is regular use of high dose of pesticides from beginning to end of the crop. Question 19. During sewage treatment, biogases are produced which include first, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, methane, second, methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, third, methane, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, fourth, hydrogen sulfide, methane, sulfur dioxide. I repeat the question. During sewage treatment, biogases are produced which include, and the correct answer for the 19th question is second one, that is methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide are produced during sewage treatment. Question 20. A patient brought to a hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. First one cyclosporine A, second statin, Third, penicillin. Fourth, streptokinase. I repeat the question. A patient brought to a hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. And the correct answer for the 20th question is fourth one, that is streptokinase is given to a myocardial patient immediately. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AG. If you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. Keep safe at your homes. Keep smiling always. Bye bye.